Okay, find the standard equation of a parabola with focus at point F, 2, 5, and directrix line y is equal to negative 3. So if we're going to draw that, our focus, I need snippies. So this is our um, coordinate plane. So ang ato ang focus is at 2, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So somewhere here, ang atong focus. So at F is equal to 2, 5. And then our directrix is at Y is equal to negative 3. So 1, 2, 3. So somewhere here, ang ato ang directrix, which is at negative 3. Remember that our focus, ang ato ang focus and directrix, in between nila ang ato ang vertex. Since the vertex is nasa center or midpoint of the focus and the directrix, so pwede na ito makuha sila using the midpoint formula. So we're expecting that this parabola is opening to upward, since ang focus is above the directrix. So ang iyang vertex is in between them, and then the parabola is always devours its focus, so opening upward ang atong i-expect na parabola. So to get the vertex, so we will use the midpoint formula. So ang iyang h is equal to 2. Nga naman, because the axis of symmetry of the parabola is vertical, it means na iyahang axis of symmetry is equal to the h. So wala man tay vertex, pero pareha naman na ang h sa vertex o sa focus. Kung asa ni agi ang axis of symmetry, the same na siya ang iyahang value. So since the axis of symmetry is vertical, we expect that the h of the vertex is the same sa x coordinates ato ang focus, which is 2. So 2 ang iyang h, and then we'll just add the y coordinate of the focus and the directrix. Kay since ang directrix is y, so y na siya, and then we will divide it by 2 para makuha ang midpoint sa to ang vertex. So 5 plus negative 3, so 5 plus negative 3, that's 2. So 2 divide 2 is 1. So vertex is at 2, 1. So kaning vertex na to dire, nani siya sa 2, 1. So since we have the vertex already, and from the distance from focus to vertex, that's equal to c. So pwede na nato makuha ang value sa c. You can use the distance formula, but since pareha naman ang value sa h nila, just subtract the y coordinate, which is 5 and 1. Ang focus 5, ang vertex is 1, so c is equal to 5 minus 1, so c is equal to 4. So we know the value of c na. So since our parabola is opening upward, we are expecting to use this one. Ang mag-square is ang x nga part, and then positive ang iyang coefficient. So quantity of x minus h squared is equal to 4c times the quantity of y minus k. This is the template that we will be using for this one. We have the h and the k of the vertex, and we have the value of c. So x minus h, which is 2, so x minus 2 squared is equal to 4 times the value of c, which is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16 times the quantity of y minus 1. Atong 1 is, atong k is 1. So quantity of x minus 2 squared is equal to 16 times the quantity of y minus 1. So for number 2, find the standard equation again with vertex at V6 negative 4 and focus at F negative 2, 4. So given 6 negative 4 and ang ang focus is negative 2. So ang the same nila is ang negative 4. So always moagi ang axis of symmetry sa asa sila the same. Since this is at y coordinate, so we're expecting ang ato ang axis of symmetry is at y. So y is equal to k, which is equal to negative 4. This means that our axis of symmetry is horizontal. So muni atong axis of symmetry, which is y is equal to negative 4. Ang ato ang vertex is at 6. So 6 and negative 4. This is our vertex here. And negative 4. And then our focus is at negative 2 and negative 4. So here. So assuming this is the kani siya ang coordinate plane at 0, 0 ni siya. So 6 and kalayo ba sa nara dire. This is our focus. Negative 2 and negative 4. So we're expecting that our parabola is opening to the left. Kung asang atong focus, dito ang ato ang opening sa tuang parabola. So we don't know the directrix yet. And we don't know the value of our c. Since ang pareha niya is ang ang y coordinate, so we will just subtract ang ilang x coordinate to get the value of our c. Kani siya nga distance from focus to the directrix. So 6 minus negative 2. So c is equal to 6 minus negative 2, which is equal to 8. So, so from here, since ang atong directrix is naadiri, right side sa ato ang vertex, so we will add C para makuha ang ato ang directrix. So, excuse me. So atong directrix line is equal to atong directrix line. Atong directrix is at x, which is equal to h and then plus c. So ang atong h is pero may h. So 6. 6 plus 8. So this is 14. So ang atong x is at 14. So 14 ni siya. Ano to ang directrix. Anyway, ang gipangayo ra standard equation, so we will just get h, k, and c. We have all these values already. Since our parabola is opening to the left, so we will use mag-squaring apart is a y, so we will use y minus k squared equals to, since opening to the left, negative 4c times the quantity of x minus h.